In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange items in your Etsy store for 2023. Managing your Etsy store effectively is crucial to enhancing user experience and boosting sales. One way to improve your shop's appeal is by strategically ordering your listings. Let's dive into how you can easily rearrange your items using the desktop version of Etsy Shop Manager. First things first, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Head over to the Etsy website and enter your login credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your Shop Manager. You can find the Shop Manager option at the top right corner of your screen. It's your control center for running your Etsy business. Inside the Shop Manager, look to the left sidebar for the listings option. Click on it, and it will bring up all the current items you have listed in your shop. Now, the next step is to find the Rearrange Your Shop option. This is typically located near the top of your listings page. Once selected, your listings will switch to a grid view format. This grid setup makes it easier to visualize your shop's layout as your customers would see it. The beauty of the Rearrange Your Shop feature is its simplicity. You can click on a listing and while holding down your mouse button, drag and drop it into the position you desire. Take a moment to consider how you want your products to be arranged. Perhaps you want to feature seasonal items or bestsellers at the top. The arrangement of your listings can significantly impact buyer engagement, so organize them in a way that reflects your shop's strategy and priorities. After you've moved your listings around and have arranged them to your liking, the final step is to save these changes. There's a save button, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. Be sure to click it to ensure your new layout is stored. You'll want to double check that everything is orderly and as intended before leaving this page. And there you have it. Rearranging your items on Etsy can be a straightforward process, but it makes a big impact. Updating your shop regularly to highlight new products or emphasize certain categories can help captivate your customers and perhaps even drive more sales. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in keeping your Etsy store visually appealing and effective. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make your online business thrive.